Hi guys, I'm Karen Coppage, the program coordinator for Classroom Central, and T just asked me to take just a few minutes and show you all how curbside pickup packing works. So when a volunteer comes through our door, obviously we greet them, we take their temperature, we have a form that we have them fill out to make sure that they meet all the specifications, and once they are good to go, we head them on down this way. So as I'm walking, you're able to see bags that are already packed for different teachers. Today is Thursday afternoon, the 28th, and so we're almost at the end of the month. When teachers get to this area, they're going to grab a clipboard, grab a new pen, clean pen, and after every shift, we wipe off any of the used clipboards and pens, so they're very safe. We also offer gloves, spray, wipes, whatever makes them the most comfortable in getting ready to do their shopping. So the other piece as far as keeping it safe is we have it lined up on the floor with 6 feet stand here lines. And so we specifically, when we sort out the orders, as a teacher could have anywhere from maybe 5, 10 to 50 items. And so we don't mix. We try to keep everyone with the same amount together. That way, you're not standing behind someone that's getting 40 items and all you need are 5. And so that just keeps it flowing better. We ask them not to turn around and come back if they forgot something, but we have it set up strategically. Your very first item, paper, heavy, goes in the bottom of the bag. But then onto your left, the left side down, all of those are A items on our list. And then the B row in the middle, they can access from both sides. And then the C aisle is coming back up once they make the trip down. Now, a couple of things that we do also to make it easier for the teachers is when it is an item such as pens, they don't often come in packages, and so we pack them for them. So an item 48, they don't have to count them. We've counted it for them, and all they have to do is pick up the bag and off they go. Some things are packed just perfectly, other things we just make it easier for them. So as you go down, it's kind of fun because we get some seasonal items in that, of course, everybody wants the Lysol wipes. Cardstock has been another one that's big. Yarn also, as you can see, we got cleared out of that today. And then we've got Bomba socks. Always makes me smile when I'm watching TV and a Bomba commercial comes on because I know we've got them in our store. So they just make the step, and you can see all the limits are on our signage, and it's also on their shopping sheet. And so when they're shopping, they're going just down this list. All of the A items are together, the B, the C, and that way it's easier for them in finding the items in the store. Also during this time of year, we have our hand knitted items that great volunteers will knit or crochet and bring into us. And it's been popular this month and last month. We had a great electric pencil sharpener that teachers love. Makes their job easier. And then it's just along with some variety of things, your tape, highlighters, mechanical pencils, erasers, things like that. So once a volunteer who's shopping has the order filled, they're going to come up here to the front, and they're going to finish out their sheet saying how many bags that they've packed for this teacher. They're then going to come up to this table where we have a volunteer who's a labeler, and that person takes and makes labels for each of the bags. And so this is Anna Beard. She has 3 bags. So over here on the shelf are bags one of 3 and 2 of 3. She goes to works at GW Carver. And this was, actually she's picking up a December order today. So this was the day that this was originally to be picked up. And then this shows us the school district. Now, the reason we have all of this on here is if down the road we're looking for a bag, we know she shopped on the 17th, then we can find it easy. The school, if the school offers to come and pick bags, we know to pull those, and it's just an easy identifier. The other piece is when they are filling out, we have a locations sheet. On that, they would write the name of the teacher, the number of bags, and where it's located. All of our shelving has numbers, and so for Anna, she's on 18, and she has actually 6 bags because she's doing her January and her December. So our person checking in would say, Anna Beard, she's on 18 with 6 bags. That tells our loaders, I need to get a buggy or a cart because I'm gonna go try to maneuver 6 bags to Miss Beard. That's gonna be a little much. So that's the way we announce what a teacher's order is and where they'll find it and what they're looking for. So we try to make it as safe and easy as possible for our volunteers, our teachers, and I highly recommend if you have not come and packed with us, please do so. I would love to see you. So thanks so much. Have a good day.